When friends get together here in Siargao, things can get a little loud. And when this bird starts talking to its friends, their cheerful babble takes a life of its own.
Hi, I am a brown-tit babbler. I am a bird of the family Timalidae. We live in many places in the Philippines, in its tropical moist forests. That's why there's a lot of us here in Siargao. You'll easily know when we are around, because you'll hear our loud babble. Spotting us, however, may be a bit of a challenge, because we prefer staying inside shrubs and low bushes. We are also very small and move quite fast. When we do venture out of our shrubs, we do so in feeding flocks. My friends and I hunt insects here in the forest. And you know what happens when we get together with friends? It can be quite noisy. Siargao's forest is a perfect home for us. That's why we've been able to thrive here. There's a lot of food, a lot of trees, and the weather is amazing. I hope the forests of Siargao continue to be awesome. Living here is such a dream.